In this video, let's answer these two questions. What is the correct point of view in investing? And why is it so crucial? Let's get into it. Number one, you're the owner. When you buy stocks, those stocks represent ownership in the company. So you're part owner of the company. As a part owner of the company, you want the company to succeed. You're investing not just to make money so quickly, but you want the company to make a mineral discovery if you're investing in an exploration company. That is the ultimate goal, because if the company succeeds, you make money. And why would you even invest in an exploration company in the first place? Number two, you're starting a business. Your capital is the small amount that you are investing. This channel advocates starting small as $500. If you view investing as starting a business, you will want to have a long-term outlook. You're not in a hurry to make money today or next week, but you want to eventually grow your business, your investments, which hopefully you can leave as a legacy to your loved ones. So initially, you will make some mistakes, but you learn from them and get better. As a business, investing also requires a business plan. A business plan contains a goal, a strategy, and detailed plan of actions. So don't start investing unless you have that plan, a clear goal, strategy, and plan of action. Number three, you're employing people. As an owner of the company that you invested in, you employ people to do the job, to do the exploration. But they're already there when you choose to invest. So before investing, find out as much as possible about the company, about the people that you are employing, the management and board of directors. What have they accomplished? Their track record. Are they honest? Do they spend money wisely? For example, do they spend money on drilling rather than pocket them as salaries? If their salaries are very high, it tells you that they are not doing a good job in managing the money. Number four, you're the boss. You're the decision maker. That means in regards to your investment, you're responsible to make your investment succeed. With that in mind, would you give your money to a stranger in the street when he says that he will double your money in a week? Even if he presents to you a business case, you would still be very wary. That's not how successful investing works. You don't go buy a stock of a company that's recommended by strangers on YouTube or any media just like that. Everyone has his or her agenda. To succeed, an investor has to do his job. It starts from doing the right point, having this right point of view. So why is this right point of view so crucial? Well, you can already tell the answer. It changes the way you approach investing. After all, you're investing your hard-earned money. Investing is not the same as trading. The focus of this channel is sharing educational videos on investing, not trading. If you'd like to learn about trading, check other content creators. Thank you for listening, and check my other video for content similar to this.